Hello everyone. Today we are going to start our first unit, that is fundamental of algorithm. Okay, fundamentals of algorithm. Fundamentals of algorithm. First of all, we will see what is the algorithm. What is the algorithm? In previous semester, we have studied all these concepts. Okay, algorithm. Algorithm is the set of states, is a set of steps. But which steps? Procedural. Procedural means what? We have to define a procedure to solve a problem. Okay, one by one. One by one means what? Sequential steps. Okay, sequential steps. We have to define our problem or program by one step. Okay, this is nothing but the algorithm. Okay, by using algorithm you can specify our problem in detail. Okay, algorithm algorithm is the easiest way easiest way to to describe a program. Okay, easiest way to describe a program. Okay, this is the main characteristic of your algorithm. Okay, you can specify your problem or program in detail. Okay, by easiest manner. Okay, this is nothing but your algorithm. Algorithm is the set of steps, set of sequential steps to do a particular task. Okay, this is the definition of your algorithm. Okay, then various properties of your algorithm. Okay, properties of algorithm. Properties of algorithm. Which are those properties of algorithm or characteristics? Characteristics. Okay. First one, that is input. First one is your input. Then next one is your output. First one input. Then second one is output. Then finiteness. Okay, finiteness. Then fourth one is your infiniteness. Infiniteness. Okay. Then last one is your effectiveness. Effectiveness. Okay, these are the five characteristics of your algorithm. Okay, these are the characteristics of your algorithm. First of all, we see what is input. What is input? To describe a specific algorithm we have to give some input. Okay, we have to give some input. Some input is required. Okay, we have to describe a program with specific input. Okay, then output, we have to output may be one or many. Okay, sorry, inputs may be one or many. Okay, then next one is your output. Okay, there should be there should be at least at least one output. Okay, there should be at least one output. Okay, म्हणजे काय? Means what? There should be a specific output. Okay, it is must. Okay, then finiteness means what? Finiteness means what? Program your program algorithm your program algorithm should have finite number of steps. Should have finite number of steps. Okay, finite number of steps. There should be finite number of steps. Then infiniteness. What is infiniteness? Infiniteness means what? Infiniteness means there should be a program that has number of outputs and number of inputs. Okay, there should be number of inputs and outputs. Okay, then effectiveness. Last one is your effectiveness. Okay, what is effectiveness? The algorithm should be simple, easy to understand. Means what? Your algorithm should be effective. Okay, effective means what? It should be simple and easy to understand. Okay, this is nothing but the all the properties of your algorithm. Okay, I think you will understand this properly. Okay, these are the various characteristics or properties of your algorithm. Okay, we have seen what is algorithm, and then we have seen what are the different characteristics of your algorithm. Okay, the next one representation of your algorithm. We can represent our algorithm in three different ways. Okay, representation of algorithm. First one is your flowchart. Okay, second one is your first one is flowchart, second one is pseudocode. Okay, then third one is your program. Okay, first we will see what is the flowchart. Okay, what is flowchart? Flowchart is the graphical representation of algorithm. Okay, by using various symbols or notations, we can design the flowchart. Okay, by using different steps of your algorithm, you can design the flowchart. Okay, then next one is your pseudocode. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode is the programming language plus your natural language. Okay, programming language plus your natural language means what? In this step you can use some English words, or we can use some coding language also. Okay, it is the combination of programming and your natural language. Okay, then next one is your program. Program is the set of instructions. Is the set of instructions to perform a task. Okay, is the set of instructions to perform a specific task. Okay, so these are the different representations of your algorithm. In next lecture, we will see flowchart in detail. Okay, with example, pseudocode and program. Okay, these are the three representations of your algorithm. Okay, then next point, design of your algorithm. Okay, design of your algorithm. There are some steps. Okay, there are some steps to solve a problem. Okay, first we will see how to solve a problem. Okay, steps to solve problem. Okay, we will see. We are going to see steps to solve a problem. In next lecture, we will see the details to design a algorithm. Okay, first one. If there is a certain problem, how to solve it, we are going to see different steps. Okay, first one is your to identify your problem. To identify the problem. Okay, second one is your to understand the problem. Okay, second one is to understand the problem. Okay, third one to analyze the problem. Okay, to analyze the problem. Okay, then fourth one is to search search different alternatives, or options to solve problem, a problem. Okay, then next one is fifth, that is to select best way, to select best way to solve the problem. Okay, then next one, sixth one, that is to describe different steps to solve problem. Okay, then last one, that is to evaluate the problem. Okay, to evaluate the problem. Okay, these are the 7 steps to solve a problem. Okay, first we have to identify the problem. Next one, we have to understand the problem. We have to analyze the problem. Next one, we have to describe the problem. What are the inputs or the outputs? Okay, then we can solve the same problem by different options or different alternatives. So we have to search for all the alternatives. Okay. Then next one is to select best way. which way is the best to solve a problem. Okay, then by using that best way we have to describe our problem, okay, by using various steps. Okay, then last one is the to evaluate the problem. Okay, we have to evaluate the problem, that is we have to analyze the problem is solution is correct or not. Okay, so today we have seen what is algorithm, properties of algorithm, and representation of algorithm, and the steps to solve a problem. Okay, so today we will stop here. Okay, thank you.